Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to reset this annoying message on Buick Encore or Opel Mokka. Change engine oil soon. You can do it yourself. Firstly, you need to push start button until ignition on. Then you need this stalk and you go to the menu, info, select this, then with arrows up and down search for oil life, and you need to just hold it with push, hold it and release. Now you have 100%. And that's all. You can do it yourself, it's very easy. Now we can check if the message is gone. No more message. Thanks for watching.